Hi everyone, today we're talking about PayPal and PayPal's upgrade recently. Now if you don't watch my videos, this is your first time watching this video, I'm currently invested in PayPal, and overall I'll talk about my future plans for my investment in PayPal a little bit more going forward, but we'll just go through what has happened with PayPal recently. So PayPal has actually been upgraded by an analyst on Wednesday, and we'll just go through this article about how come it's been upgraded, and then I'll also say my thoughts and what I'm planning to do with PayPal, and also a couple of payment sectors in the sector of the payment industry, because there's a couple of interesting stocks around right now, and they've been on a pretty much a good tear this year with some really good returns. So Jeffrey says buy PayPal shares due to its market leadership in online payments. Jeffrey reiterates its buy rating for PayPal shares, predicting it will grow faster than the e-commerce industry. The firm analyst cites the company's large active user base of 244 million and strong payment volume growth rates. PayPal shares will rise due to the strength of its core payment platform, according to Jeffries. And currently, it had its price target $110, and that's been increased to $110 a share. This representing a 21% upside to Tuesday's close. So that's a pretty good upgrade overall. Most of the kind of industry has its price targets for PayPal around the $90 mark. These guys were obviously a little bit higher. They had it at 100, and that's now increased to 110. Like I say, 20% upside, which is really good. Overall, it's had a really good tear this year. It's gone up quite a bit, and to be honest with you, my price target for PayPal was around the 100 mark, and I'd probably put that up to the 120 mark now. That's how bullish I am on PayPal. I think it's 20% EPS growth. Its revenue growth towards that side of it is really good. We're getting double-digit growth, and the payment sector is all. I definitely would have a stock of the payment industry in your portfolio right now. There has been some amazing turns, and it's just really easy, simple money with hardly any movements because they're so stable. Now, as you know, I have a position in PayPal, and it's not my biggest position at all in my portfolio. I think it makes up about 10% of my portfolio right now is PayPal, off the top of my head. Now, PayPal itself is a position that I'd like to increase before. I did increase it, as you know, if you watch my videos, and then I sold that position to get a position in Alibaba, which I felt had more room to grow than PayPal. But PayPal certainly has a lot of room to grow. PayPal is, yes, a company that I want to buy more shares in. So I'm going to be looking at doing that myself. And like I say, my price target is around the 120 mark. As well as PayPal, I am very bullish on Visa and MasterCard. I do prefer PayPal more. But Visa and MasterCard are currently companies that I'm looking at probably getting a position in at some point. We'll see what happens. And obviously its main competitor really is Square. Now Square has had an amazing run recently. I think it's towards like $90 per share. Now when you look at Square and PayPal, that are nearly the same price now, which is crazy. Square's currently turning over about I think 3 billion, and PayPal's turning over 15 billion, which is a massive difference for the share price. As well as that, you get the growth on Square and a lot less on PayPal, but the profit is massive on PayPal compared to Square. Square hasn't even had a full year with EPS positive, making money yet. So it shows the difference of the companies for the share prices, and for what you have right there, I'd definitely rather have PayPal over Square. But I do like Square, and if there was a massive pullback, I would be tempted to get into Square. But for me, PayPal is definitely the number one payment stock right there, and it's a stock I would definitely have in my portfolio right now. And I still think there's a massive room for it to go. And like I say, I probably agree with this analyst. Maybe even more, I'd probably raise it to 120, 110. Like I say, I'd probably be looking at buying some shares at some point, and increasing that position towards 2019, but we'll see what happens. So guys, I thought I'd share that article with you, my kind of opinion on where I think PayPal's going to go. Guys, give it a like, subscribe, and thanks for the support recently. It's been amazing. Really appreciated it, and I'll see you on the next video.